Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. We have a lot to cover in this video, you guys, and we have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you to Bob Wells and CheapRVLiving. He published my interview that we did together last winter. It's been about 10 months since Bob and I did that tour and interview, so we're having lots of new subscribers stop by and say hey, so thank you so much for being here and for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate Bob and his generosity. I'm just so grateful for him and everything that he does for the Nomad community and for Homes on Wheels Alliance. So he's so special to me, so thank you if you're here from Bob's channel, and thank you to everybody else who's here with me. I love you guys. So yeah, a lot's going on. A lot of you probably have seen that the RTR and the WRTR are coming up in Quartzsite starting on January 14th. So the WRTR, which is the women's RTR, begins on the 14th and it's the 15th, and then the regular RTR for everybody begins on, I think it's the 16th, and then it goes through that week of January. So it's right around the corner, and I will be there. So if you are part of the Quartzsite community, if you are a fan of Bob and Homes on Wheel Alliance and you know, going to the RTR, or maybe you're totally new, I will be there, so please look for me. I actually ordered an RTR shirt and some stickers and things, so I'll be walking around in my I think I got a gray one. I think I got a gray RTR shirt that has the little logo on it. So look for me, stop me, say hey. I love this community for the social aspect of it. Even though, believe it or not, I'm an introvert, and I definitely need time to recharge, and I prefer ultimately to camp kind of alone. I love socializing and meeting everybody, and I like a good party. So I might be a little crazy, but I'm a whole lot of fun. So please stop me and say hey and introduce yourself. I just love meeting everybody and hearing your stories and seeing your rigs. And you're welcome to check mine out too. So if we meet and you want to see my van, don't hesitate to ask. I would love to show you. So we have that coming up. So the RTR and the WRTR, all of that information can be found on the Homes on Wheels Alliance website, which is, I believe it's just howa.org. But of course you can go on the different Facebook pages for CheapRVLiving and Homes on Wheels Alliance, as well as the YouTube channels, and you can find the information on all of those places. So if you're not sure of the details and the times and the dates and all that stuff, you can check it out, and I will put a link in the description for that website as well, so to make it nice and easy for you to see. So after the RTR stuff, I'm going straight to Schoolypalooza, which is in Parker. So that begins on the 21st of January and it goes through the 31st of January. So on the weekend that it begins, I will be up there with my mom. My mom's going to come with me and party, so please come and join us at Schoolypalooza. It does look like there's registration this year. It's completely free, so but register online just so they know how many people to expect if you're interested in doing that. So January will be really busy. I will be spending a majority of the month out in Quartzsite. You know, I do have my new remote job that I'm working, so I do have to dedicate a lot more time to work nowadays, but which is fine because that means more work and less partying for Amanda, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. So I just have so much fun out in Quartzsite with everybody and all my friends and at Schoolypalooza and stuff. So it's quite a trip, and I hope to see you guys out there too. So I had some people ask me about my red van, because my interview with Bob took place so long ago that since then I've replaced my van. So I bought a newer silver Dodge Grand Caravan, but it's still the exact same Caravan, so it's basically just different color and just a little newer. So yeah, I have the same van, but it is has all the same colored doors, and it is newer, and it is silver. So yeah, don't be confused. It just, there was a long time period between the time that we did the interview and it was published. So lots of things change sometimes, and one happened to just be the color of my van. So there's that. So I also have, I just wanted to show you guys my view since I rearranged my bed. So like I'm sitting on my bed, and sorry, there's like such an annoying dog outside. Like I'm so sorry for the barking, but it's not my dog. So not much I can do about it right now. But anyways, so this is the bamboo lap table that I have. And so I really like it because I can like sit here and eat, work, and all of that good stuff. And it's like right at the perfect height here. So, and then I still have lots of area at my feet, and there's my rock piles, of course, and my fridge. So I just wanted to show that to you guys because it's such a perfect fit on this mattress, and I just really love how it folds. And if you're interested in that table, there's a link in the description, and I also did a video on it. So be sure to browse my channel if you're curious. And I just washed my Yeti, so I brought that in, and then earlier today I got this little cutting board that well, hold on, I don't want to cut myself here. It just pulls out. It's a little knife that pulls out, and I got it because it matches my van, and it's my favorite color. so I got that little cutting board thing today, which I thought was fun as well. Thank you again so much for being here. To all of our new subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you. I hope to meet you in Quartzsite, or, you know, Parker, Schoolypalooza, whatever's happening out here in Arizona out west within the next like 3 months or so. That seems to be the most active season for me in Arizona. And then I'll, of course, probably spend some time in Flagstaff next summer, but I don't really know what 2022 is going to hold for me yet. I guess we'll find out. But in the meantime, thank you for being here. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.